Hi everybody! I am here now at Eco and Green Choice office and now look, we are packing the 38 EQP. So each pack have one pack of micropeel and one pack of Power Peel Plus. International, okay? So ayan. Come here, coach. Look, the packages here. Look, so many. And we also have the wholesale package. Package B na silver. Ayan, nakita mo. Meron siyang emergency lead bulb. 4 packs micropeels, 3 packs Power Peel Plus, 1 shampoo and conditioner, and 1 charcoal na sabon. Okay, ayan guys, international! Ayan, isasend po yan sa ibang bansa. Ayan, nandito yung mga taga Papua New Guinea na member.